hey, when we first started registering our car through Turo, we lost a little bit of money. It's a lot of money, actually. It's kind of embarrassing. We needed to buy a car, to rent a car through Turo. And so we had to buy a car. So we started looking at a bunch of cars and we found a really good deal. It was a Nissan Versa, very reliable, and it's 2015, so very new, and it was only $6,900. And it only had 20,000 miles on it. So we like, this is too good to be true. And it was too good to be true. We went there and it was a salvage title. However, the dealership was great and they showed us exactly where the damage was. It was all in the back. It was going to be, you know, the front. The engine wasn't affected at all by the accident. And so we were feeling like, okay, this could still work for us. So we went and we got the car, and no, we didn't get the car. We left it there, but we put a deposit down on the car, $1,000, and we took the title home with us. When we got home, we tried to register the car, and we found out that Turo doesn't accept salvage title cars. And we're like, what? So we called her up, and we're like, come on, this is like all the damages in the back. I mean, we gave them the exact same spiel that the dealership gave to us, but we didn't sell them at all. They were like, no, under no circumstances will we rent a salvaged title car. So then we had to call the dealership, and they said, if you bring the title back on Monday, we'll give you $500 back. And that's what we did. We brought the title back Monday morning. They gave us $500 back. We lost $500 in the car. We still didn't have a car. So the reason why I'm sharing this story with you is so that when you rent your car, and I really hope you do, that's why I do these videos, this has really helped and been a positive experience for us. So I'm just hoping that these videos will be useful for somebody. So when you rent your car through Turo, you won't make the same mistake. So there are certain requirements you have to meet. You can't have a salvage title or a built title or whatever other name you might have under it. You also really need to make sure it has less than 130 miles and that it was it's younger than 2005. It can be a 2005 or younger. And right now the date is July 2017. So the more that date goes, that car year will go down. So I'm going to put a link down below in the description on, and the link will go to what the car qualifications are for Turo. So when you rent a car through Turo, if you have to buy one, hopefully you won't lose $500 like I did. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions. I just want to be a big help to you.